I hear there's a hidden feature in this table.
What you see right here is basically in its just normal form. However, it has another life to it. And basically, just by sliding down the edge,
Oof.
and there's one of these on both sides. So the table becomes 118 inches long. Right now, this will accommodate 6 to 8 people, but realistically, with the extensions open, you're probably talking 10 to 12 people.
Okay, all right.
This has 2 stories though. This is with one extension leaf,
Okay.
and they're a butterfly leaf, so they store underneath. You do not need to worry about where you're going to put the leaf or anything like that. And then you lock it in place with the buckles that are down below.
That seems really simple.
Very, very simple.
All right, show me how you close it again.
What you do is that you can just slide it open a little bit.
All right.
You bring this across. If you could just help me on that side, just move it with me. You have the butterfly leaf, which is closing. That's going to drop and then just skewers right in place.
Oh, and it doesn't even it's not going to hit.
It doesn't protrude down, doesn't hit your knees. You're never going to know it. It's just a hidden feature, that little bit of surprise.
It's like a little secret.
Truly.